This is a short video showing what the Ditto digital looper can do. It's very simple. It just has an output and an input. I have a microphone connected to it so I can hear the sounds I'm making on this tank drum. When it's in bypass mode, you can make a sound and it sounds exactly the same as it would going through your mixer. Then click the button to record, and to stop it, you click it again and it'll just play the sound over and over. Pressing it again will add to your recording, whatever you've done within that recording time. And now I'll make a purposeful mistake and then undo it. Now it's gone. You can only erase your last one. And there I am stopping it, and then erase the whole thing. Now there's one disadvantage to using a live microphone to record whatever sound you're making, and that's that it may pick up the clicking sound from activating and deactivating the bypass mode. So the best way to avoid that problem is to directly connect it to whatever instrument you want to record, such as timbre wolf. Of course, you can plug it into any instrument, guitar. If you have a Roland SPD-1, you can plug it into that. I'm just going to do a few loops on this keyboard here, since it's handy. Thanks for watching this short little video.